Hi everybody, it's Sherry, Fabric and Memories. I just wanted to share something that I kind of discovered, not necessarily out of necessity, but one of those things you don't think about, but then, oh man, you get that light bulb. I'm trying to do this junk journaling with this, I don't have much budget to spend on it, so a lot of it is, or I'd say like, 90% of it is just whatever I can find. So, I was at the thrift store, and is where I go to get books, but you stop to think of books, so you do the pages. What else can I use with that book? I took out a few pictures. I hate to throw it away, so I thought I'd mention this one. I had a cookbook, and forget the pages, look at the words. I marked a couple pages here of things. Go through and look here, good morning sunshine, something about, what is that, a sausage and eggs? So cut out good morning, and there's a tag, or letters, whatever you call them, for in your book, on your title, your page, or something. There's the word grandma. You can use that in your pages. There's the word Jamie. Do you have somebody named Jamie that you could use? So many things. Old-fashioned. Look at the word old-fashioned. You cut that out and use that for something. If you like the color orange and are doing a page about orange, it's there. These title pages are really good. You've got all these words, so you don't cook or bake. That's not the issue. Maybe you're just talking about candy that you had back when you were a kid, or something like that. Another word, look at the word miscellaneous. Wouldn't that be cool? I mean, what a good word for on a page, miscellaneous. Serious, fun. Do you like chocolate? There's some chocolate over there. Another one is, again, if you like coffee. Do you like coffee? Do you like tea? What else? You got kids. I mean, that's coming out and going in one of mine, but you can even take a punch and actually punch that out like into a circle or something. Here's the word Christmas. 'Tis the season. So all these words you can cut out, and I just put them in a little envelope like this. I'm still worried a little bit. Just cut the large envelope. I cut the top off so there's no flap, and everything's just in here with all these little words. And I haven't come up with yet a way to kind of specifically more organize these things. I have with my dictionary words. But that's the point of it, and then you've got all these tiny little words here in the envelope that you can take out and use. And then Pretty for Pennies. I mean, that's a good title for any kind of page, and little sayings sometimes they have. America is the only country where housewives, blah blah blah. But little sayings. Anything else. I mean, how cool. That'd be a fun title for something. So all these things, you can also take these pages out and fold them into like pockets or envelopes. I take them out and distress them like this and make a pocket tag out of it, so you can put the pocket right in there. And then this is from the daily devotionals, and then there's room on the back to write. This is the tag I made. Someone to Talk To is the title of the chapters that was at the top of every page, so I cut all those out, added it to a tag, and got something really nice there. Another thing is another cookie book. Books are sweet, huh? So they got the good stuff in them. But again, you could go through, and this much here would make a great tag, and then put it on paper so you can write on the back. All these smaller pieces could make the tag. If you have food, like a food swap. Everybody swaps food-related things. You can also, again, cut out the titles. If there's a word in there that, there's chocolate again, brownies, look, that'd be a good name on a page. I didn't mark my pages on this one, but again, here's another, cut the score out for a tag. So there's lots that you can do. This whole one page is just this no words. So if you do, whether you keep it for yourself or do a food related swap, That's a cool page. Nice, you know, plain, distinct cookies on there. Here's another word, peanut. Peppermint. I mean, that's a good word for something. Child's play. So there's a lot of things. Treasures. This one's coming out of here to go into one of mine. Treasures. Of course, my children will be in that page. Guests. Best. Best. So pick up a book. You don't need to deal with it about any cooking, but look at the colored pictures, even black and white pictures, and the words, and you can get embellishments for your pages. There's another one that I tore out, holiday. If you have a child that, you know, or maybe a memory from when you did it, I have this because I taught my child, this granddaughter, when she was 3, to make sugar cookie cutouts. She memorized the recipe, made everything. The only thing she didn't deal with it was the oven, and here she is, 3 years old, reciting this recipe. So I do happen to have a picture of her doing that, so I won't use this one, but you could. Here's another one of the full-size pages for a swap, or a flow book, flowish journal, and another one, flow journal. So just check out the books next time you go to the thrift store, and don't look at the content of the book, look at the words and the pictures, and you're going to find a lot of things that you're going to say, oh yeah, that's cool, I got to do that. So just thought I'd share that way of finding embellishments that don't cost an arm and a leg and half of your budget. So thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.